What's up, DesignerCon fam? I'm here today to walk you through how to actually get a Vincent. So, if you go to the Vincents.app and then click on Buy a Vincent, you're going to see a screen like this. You can go ahead and easily pick how many Vincents do we want? Let's get three. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to buy with credit card. So you don't need a crypto or Web3 wallet. We have partnered with Crossmint, a super cool company that makes it a lot easier to buy NFTs, manage a collection, all in a custodial wallet using your credit card. So we're just going to log in with a Gmail. Go ahead and pick one of my email accounts. And we're going to just quickly pick up three Vincents. So pretty much all you need to know, double check how much the price is. This information here, I'm probably going to blur out because it doesn't actually correspond to anything. This is just a test, but you're going to go ahead and it works just like real life or once Vincent's is up for sale, you're going to hit continue. And then I've bought one before, so they could send me a code. But I'm just going to enter in some information that I'm obviously going to blur out later. Do 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 do. Just entering in your information just like any other general checkout, and then hit pay. And you're going to see it's going to process. You're going to get a green check mark, and then it's going to actually take some time because it has to reconcile the money that you're putting on your credit card with the actual blockchain. So you might see a time skip because you probably don't want to wait around, but this might take a few minutes, especially when minting is live. This might take a little bit longer, but we have an estimated time of 3 minutes left, and we're going to cut likely to the next screen once it goes through. All right, we are now at the completed screen. We can see our little bouncing Vincent. It'll tell you what item number you got, 108 and two others. And you can go ahead and open in Crossmint to actually see the blind boxes. So we can open up this screen. We can actually expand this little pop-up. And you'll see your account up here. And you'll see the blind box. And you can see all of them. But if you click on this little, and there you go. You can see the Vincents I just got. You can see some old test Vincents I got earlier, but this is pretty much how you buy a Vincents with your credit card. And if you have any other questions, open a ticket in the Discord, and one of the mod team or someone on the DesignerCon team will get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks so much, and have a great one. Bye-bye.